Hello everyone. Thank you for tuning into the Im Melia The Mogul show. I am your host, Im Melia The Mogul, and this is a show where we talk about love, life, kids, careers, everything, you name it. I am your girl, Im Melia The Mogul. Thank you for following me. I'm also the CEO of houseofmelia.com. You can look me up on Instagram. That's shop House of Melia, HOUSEOFMELIA, and houseofmelia.com. Also follow my lash page, House of Melia Beauty, to keep up with all things lashes, aesthetics, and beauty. Okay, we'll get right into it. Today, I'm accompanied here by a special delivery and also my favorite wine. It is Riasta, I think. Risada Moscato d'Asti. This is my favorite wine. It is so good, so sweet. There's my baby. He wants to show you something. Don't mind the stains on my lovely outfit and the holes. This is literally my favorite outfit. One of those outfits where you come home from work, come home from a long day, and no, I'm recording. You come home from a long day and you want to get comfy? This is one of those fits. So no, I'm not throwing it away. And yes, I will wear it. And yes, it does have stains on it because I made spaghetti and baked lemon pepper, Italian wings, and barbecue wings. Get down, no. No, mommy's recording, go. Here, thank you. Come back later. So, we better do this while we can, because it's not gonna be good. We are back from our distractions. Let me do this, and let me do this quick, girls, because you know how it is if you are a mother. Comment down below if you are a mother, and also comment down below if you have a favorite house outfit. And let me know what that is. But real quickly, while we've got the time, I have a client on my way. My son is not having it, so I need to do this review fast. I am doing an unboxing, a review on Kendra's boutique bundles. Yes, your girl is becoming a hair barb. This hair that I got on right here is from my girl. Shout out to my girl Choo Choo, aka Latoya Folks, on Instagram, the CEO of Bedazzled Bar and Beauty. Look her up, y'all. This is a unit that she made. I have not combed it, washed it, curled it, nothing since she last touched it in August. Actually, July is when I got this unit from her. So, good hair, great quality. Look her up, you guys. If you're in the Charlotte area, book her, follow her, all that good stuff. But yeah, also if you're trying to sell a house or something, look up Latoya Folks. Pretty Deeds is her real estate company. Look up my real estate company, The Mogul Investments. We're trying to get money all different type of ways this year. 2020 is coming and we're trying to take it over. Anyway, these are the bundles from Kendra's boutique. It came USPS. Looks like she shipped it 2-day priority. Came from Little Rock, Arkansas. Shout out Little Rock. Maybe that's where she lives. Came in this really cute satin hair bag. Love this. I'll keep this. You can use these over and over. Says I'm a hair barb. Super cute. Anybody that knows me knows that I am literally a barb, so this is right up my alley. It came with this little memorabilia, a pamphlet with her pretty face on here, and just how to take care, I guess, of the hair. We love selfies, install, snap, slay. Like, the packaging in this is so cute, so professional, great quality. Young girls trying to sell hair. This is the big dog in the game. Follow after her world. Get you a pamphlet. Of course, you don't have to have this when you start out, but eventually this should be things that you want to, be a part of. But yeah, also, this is, I guess, a flyer for her sale. 2-bundle deal, 3-bundle deal, 4-bundle deals. Like, she's not playing, you guys. She is official. And look at this. Get into the details. I mean, you gotta love when someone takes their time into like putting something together for you. I love it. And now I guess we'll get into the bundles. See how the bundles look. Da-da-da-da. I ordered 4 bundles. Yes. Here are my 4 bundles. Oh, look at that. I see that. So I got a 22, a 24, and 2 26s. I'm planning on having these bundles layered. I got the curly kind of pattern because I don't do nothing to hair. Nothing at all. So I wanted it to have like a natural curl to it. So I'm not a hair girl. Not your girl, okay? So yeah, like let me put the bundles close. Like this is straight out the pack, and there's like a nice luster to her bundles. There's a nice sheen, and it's so smooth, like no kinks. Literally, this is curly hair, and I'm combing my hands through it. Like, this is gorgeous. This is seriously gonna give me the look I'm looking for. This is, let's get the 26 inch. This is the width of the bundle, so they do come pretty thick. So this is where it's 26.
Mommy.
What, baby? 26. So 26. Okay. It looks like about where it's supposed to go. Your girl is gonna be long and luscious. I'm getting this sewn in. There's been a backstory behind that because I originally booked somebody else who like had me an appointment for like a week and then just asked me today, could I come at 1 o'clock? Like, sis, people have regular jobs. And you knew you needed me to come earlier when I booked the appointment last week. Why you didn't let me know last week? But that's neither here nor there. I'll still get my hair done. I'll still slay. I'm about to drink this wine, clean up, get ready for my client. And yeah. So I'll let you guys know when I install these bundles or get the bundles installed. I'll show you how it looks. Don't mind my wig. I just threw this bitch on. I didn't glue it down or nothing. But yeah. Thank you guys for tuning in. Comment down below if you've ever tried Kendra's boutique bundles or if you plan on it and what you plan to use it for and how you liked it if you have used it. And again, follow me, House of Melia. Follow my Instagram, Melia The Mogul. Look me up on Snapchat, Lady Genco, Genco, if anybody cares about that. And thank you for tuning in, and I'll catch you next time.